Bonjour à toutes et à tous et bienvenue dans une nouvelle vidéo sur Learn to French. Je m'appelle Eden et j'enseigne le français. Hello and welcome to another video on Learn to French. If you are new here, my name is Eden and I teach French. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre 10 mots en français difficiles à prononcer. So today we are going to learn 10 French words that are hard to pronounce. Est-ce que vous êtes prêts? Are you ready? C'est parti. So let's improve our French pronunciation today by practicing these words that you might have already seen somewhere. And the first word that we are going to see today is this one, which means welcome or reception. And it can be a bit confusing to read out loud because you have a U and an E and then also a double C here and it ends in IL. So this is how you're supposed to pronounce this word. Accueil. Accueil. So let's give it a try. Accueil. Très bien. The second word is very close and it's the verb to welcome. And this is how we read it. Accueillir. 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 Your turn. So what's most difficult here is probably the double L and then followed by an IR. But here, think of the double L just like the letter Y, for example. Accueillir. The next word is a squirrel in French. And this is funny because most native French speakers could actually struggle with the word squirrel in English. I myself did struggle a lot with this word. And now that I think I'm pronouncing it well in English, I could maybe teach you how to pronounce it in French, which is un écureuil. Un écureuil. Once again, just like in the word accueil, you don't really pronounce the L here. Écureuil. Écureuil. Repeat after me. Écureuil. You can now read the word. Un écureuil. Un écureuil. Très bien. On continue. The fourth word is a kettle in French. And it's quite challenging because, well, once again, we see our I and then double L here and then an OI. And we automatically think that there are silent letters, but you might not know which ones. And I'm here to tell you which ones. Une bouilloire. Une bouilloire. And this is how you're supposed to pronounce it. Bouilloire. 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 So you can give it a try. Une bouilloire. Très bien. On continue. Word number 5 is outside. And this can be challenging because we have the letter H here that is very tempting to pronounce. Especially for English speakers, they always tend to pronounce the letter H in French, but in French it is silent. And this is how you're supposed to pronounce this word. Dehors. Dehors. So the H is silent and the S is silent. Dehors. You can give it a try. Dehors. Très bien. The sixth word is a finger. And there are actually two silent letters here, which are the G and the T. So you're supposed to pronounce this word un doigt. Un doigt. So you don't hear the G and the T. Doigt. Doigt. So you can give it a try. Un doigt. Très bien. On continue. The seventh word here is an onion. And this word is quite challenging because when you learn French, you know that you are supposed to pronounce OI as wa. But not in this case. This is an exception, and here is how we read it. Un oignon. 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 So basically the I is silent. Oignon. Oignon. You can give it a try. Un oignon. Très bien. Number 8 is a leaf. And once again, we encounter our ILL and then vowel here. And it's much easier than you think. Every time you see ILL and then a vowel, most of the time your LL can be replaced with a Y sound. This is how you're supposed to read it. Une feuille. Une feuille. 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 You can give it a try now. Une feuille. Très bien. Word number 9. This is challenging because we have G, U, I, and then the double dots on the I. And here's how you're supposed to pronounce it. Une ambiguïté. Une ambiguïté. When you have a G, U, and then followed by a vowel, most of the time your U is going to be silent. So you're supposed to pronounce it Guy, for example, if it were just an ordinary I. But the double dots, which we call tréma in French, cancels the silent character here, and you are supposed to pronounce the letter U. So it goes like this. Ambiguïté. Ambiguïté. Une ambiguïté. And finally, our last word is the word Q that also exists in English, but is pronounced differently, obviously. It can also mean a tail. And in French, this is how you pronounce it. Une queue. Une queue. So it's a deeper E sound here that you're supposed to make. Une queue. Queue. Une queue. So make sure your E sound is deeper, not like que in est-ce, for example. And the main difference here is how you pronounce the sound que. E. E versus E. Que. Que. Une queue. C'est parfait. Cette vidéo est maintenant terminée. Let me know in the comment section what is the hardest word for you to pronounce in French, and maybe I can make another video on that topic as well. Merci beaucoup d'être resté avec moi aujourd'hui et je vous dis à bientôt pour une nouvelle vidéo sur Learn to French. Au revoir!